Customer unamfungulia. Yule anafanya kazi anakaa hapo. Are you getting the instruction clear? Yes. Sambili?
Yes.
Lakini hajafika?
Yes, one of us.
Mko wangapi hapa?
For each desk has somebody.
Desk yako ni gani ndugu yangu? Wewe ndio unaangalia hii? Yes. Na uko na mwenzako anakaa hapa? Wangapi?
Kila desk moja moja.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. How is it? There you go. Okay, wako.
I think wako kitchen.
Hapa Nyeri. Ndio. Mkiingia kwa maofisi, muingie mkijua hiyo. Across our nation, many of us are reporting work late. I have been in Mombasa. Teacher Service Commission employees were in office, almost all of them, at the required time. I was in Nakuru. Teacher Service Commission employees were in office, almost all of them. I am in Nyeri. I have gone to Teacher Service Commission office, all of them, they are in the office at the required time. Another thing, in Mombasa, in Nakuru, even here, the interns, or those who are in attachment, most of them are in the offices at the required time. But most of us, wale ambao wamebobea, wale ambao wanasikia wamefika kwa serikali, they are not in the office at the required time. Moving forward, we are going to get in touch with all the supervisors from sub-county level to county level to the regional level, as well as to the national level. And we are going to introduce attendance register to ensure each and every employee has a schedule of duties, and also to ensure that each and every employee adhere to staff performance appraisal system. And we are going also to carry a baseline survey as a ministry to understand the satisfaction levels of the employees within the ministries and the state department across the regional offices, county offices, as well as sub-county offices. Everybody working with them in any government office who doesn't report to work at the required time, and those who report to work and they disappear, we will be treating them as ghost workers moving forward. So most of you who are late, some of them I've seen them running away. you are not different from the definition, my own definition of a ghost worker. You receive a salary from the people of Kenya. You are not reporting to work at the right time. Probably you come at 9 and at 11 you are out of the office. You have gone to town to do other businesses. You are just a ghost worker. And therefore, moving forward, we are going to start today with all those who are late. We are going to get your name, your personal number, your ID number, and we'll issue a letter of show cause at why you are not taking your work seriously, employed by the people of Kenya. And if we check